Hello, my friends. I'm going to be doing a really fun thing today. It has nothing to do with pouring, but it's seasonal and I think you'll enjoy it. It'll be fun to look at. But first I want to show you the dried result and the varnished result of the wreath I did. You saw that one done with balloon smashes and a little bit of brush painting. I varnished it with this stuff called by Colorarte Galaxy varnish, and it's got a glitter in it. I only put 2 coats on. I could do more, but I felt that was enough. But I don't know if you can see the glitter on there, but it really, oh yeah, there we go. At the top there you can really see it. It just adds a magical touch to the piece. I'm not big into glitter or bling, but at Christmas time, you can't really go wrong. Yeah, there we go. I'm really happy with it now. I'm going to put a bow on the top and bring it down to the gallery for the month of December. And that's that. But today's project, I'm making a gingerbread house, gingerbread castle, out of this plastic toy. This was a My Little Pony something or other. I think they called it Canter-a-lot. Canter-lot? Castle? Anyway, got it on eBay. And I just loved I love the spires and all the twisty turns and hoopla on it. Let me show you a picture of what it looked like first. Here it is. And then I spray painted it several coats with, I have it here, I want to show it to you, because I'd never heard of this paint before. Color Shot. It's a premium spray paint, and this color is Root Beer Float. To me it looks like milk chocolate, and I'm very happy with the way it came out. So now I started doing this on my own. I thought maybe I should make a video, because it's fun. I'm giving it a light dusting of white paint with a cloth, and I'm going to do that for you now. I'll speed it up, and then I'm going to do some hand painting, accenting some of the parts with a brush, and then I'm going to use some puffy paint for kind of an icing look here and there. So, let me get to it. I just have a piece of t-shirt here and a puddle of white paint. I'm just dabbing into and getting the excess off. I just want a very little bit. I'm just going to go over the whole thing with this. Kind of, as I said, give it a light dusting. To get in all these little crevices. These toys have so many interesting little, bas relief areas, raised areas that are fun. But I don't want to cover up all the luscious brown, so I just want to, as I said, a dusting of this. Okay, so I've given it a light dusting of white paint. Not perfect. I'm kind of rushing. I should have taken my time a little more with it, but I think it's okay. There's so much going on. There's a part that I need to address, I think. It's okay. I'm so anxious to now take the paintbrush to it and do some detail. So let's get to it. So I've just got some craft paint here, white Artist Loft tube paint. Now I'm going to decide where I want to highlight things. So I'm just going to use the pieces design and just enhance it. Here and there. Of course, you know, you could decorate the whole thing with candy colors and stuff, really go crazy with it, but I kind of think I prefer the elegance of just white and brown. And if you're a little sloppy, you know, it just looks like icing. I'm probably not going to do this entire thing on video, but I will show you the final result. But I'm not sure how I like that. I don't think I do. I like that though. I'll do all the windows like that, and maybe this part over here. It's kind of lattice work. Or maybe I should just do puff paint all over instead of brush. Might be easier, and it certainly would be whiter looking. Let me try it. Puff paint, tulip. Shake it up, and now it can run, so you're going to want to do, you know, the stuff on top, the flat part, let it dry before you turn the thing sideways to work on it some more. Let's just see, can I make just some cute little dots? Let me try that on here. Oh, that's much better. It looks like icing. Okay, forget the paintbrush. I'm gonna do this. It's dimensional, and it looks like icing. It's got this nice little nozzle tip. Oh yeah, I'd have to do several coats of paint to get this bright white. So, whoops, a little hard to get in there. Let's try some dotting here. I bought this on eBay. I just looked up, what did I look up? Toy Castle, I think, and found it and got it for about just over $20 with shipping. And I just think it's going to be really fun when it's all done. So, yeah, you know what? I'm just gonna pause the camera now and get back to work here. Well, let me do this one for you. And then I'll show you the finished product because it's going to take a while. All right, I'm going to pause and I'll come back with a finished piece. Okay, well, I'm pretty much done with all I can do for now. And a couple of tips for you. Have some baby wipes standing by, because if you mess something up, you can quickly wipe it off and do it again. But if you wait for more than probably 5 minutes, it starts setting up on you. And don't start in the very front like I did, because it took a while for me to get my chops down to get comfortable with what I was doing. You might want to start off to an unimportant area until you get the hang of it, and then save that part for last. But I've decided to forgive myself for the mess, because if I was icing a real gingerbread house, it would be drippy and kind of messy, so it's okay. I'm not sure that I like the white dusting I gave the whole piece. Might have been better to just paint right over the spray paint, but I don't mind it. So anyway, that's certainly optional. Dotting is very easy. So if you have any places you want to fill in or just finish off, if your hand's unsteady with the lines, dotting is very simple and effective. So there we go. I think it's pretty cute, and it would be very fun to put some little fairy lights behind it and light it up before you set it up. And I think I might just do that. So there we go, my friends. If you can find yourself a little toy castle somewhere, you know, check out the thrift shops, eBay, wherever. It would be fun to have a whole village of these, I think. Anyway, that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.